They are the Bengal Tigers. So it's Mumbai Heroes versus Bengal Tigers. We are all set for the toss. I have with me Mr. Balwinder Sandhu, the coach of Mumbai Heroes. Sohail Khan, the owner of Mumbai Heroes. Sunil Shetty, a very effective captain for Mumbai Heroes. Raghu, the match referee. For Bengal Tigers, we have Jeet, the captain. Mr. Boni Kapoor, the owner of Bengal Tigers. And Mr. Sambram Banerjee, former national coach and now the coach of Bengal Tigers. Jeet, you have the coin? Yeah. Heads is the call.
Tails.
It's tails. So Jeet, you won the toss. What have you decided?
We would like to bat first.
So to speak, the team that wins this game goes through to the semi-finals. Mumbai Heroes, they'll go through on points. And Bengal Tigers, they can go through on net run rate. It is Bengal Tigers won the toss and decided to bat first. It's Joy and Sandy. Once again, it's a reliable opening pair for Bengal Tigers. They need to work on their running between the wickets. Bengal Tigers. In the end, yesterday's game they lost because of some slack running between the wickets. They were not aware that they can run hard and still steal a single. So that was their undoing. I hope they have recovered quickly from that game and put up a big score here. Good delivery from Sunny. He's been a star performer for them with the ball. He's quite effective with the bat, but somehow has not been able to justify his talent. But Mumbai Heroes, they will come out strongly today. And I was talking with Sunil Shetty, the captain. He was very pleased that all his 11 players are fit. So the people whom he wanted on the field, all of them are fit today. And that's a huge factor for Mumbai Heroes' confidence. And I have with me Amol. So good evening to you, Amol.
Good evening, Saba. And a real good contest on our hands. They steal a quick single.
That's the way, guys. Come on, come on,
You
come on,
can
come on,
see
got it.
the intensity, the energy levels are really high. Right from the word go. And they need to be high. Because there is a virtual quarterfinals. There you go, the Bengal supporters. Joy and Sandy out there in the middle. They would like to have a very good start. A foundation to be laid so that players like Jishu can come out later on and have a go at the bowling. Steps out. No is the call. They're looking sharp, aren't they, Saba?
I like this. I like this intensity because both the sides know that they have a chance of qualifying for the semi-final. This is high on excitement here. Nobody wants to give even an inch to the other side. We see the intent so clear for Bengal Tigers. They want to get those singles. They stepped out. The delivery faced the previous one. Good delivery from Sunny Singh.
Really nice to see. Somebody stepping out on the very first delivery, and the backup delivery is a bouncer. That happens in professional cricket, and we are seeing it here in the CCL. So very heartening to see. He's garnering some pace, Saba.
He's sharp, he's a very good action. Slinging kind of an action. Good delivery into the block hole. Nothing much Sandy can do. He just puts it away. It's 1 for none after 1. Here, Genelia They got married recently. Genelia and Riteish, so many congratulations from all of us from the commentary box.